Perde kort extra in die winter. Horses need extra in the winter, guys. I know in the winter everybody says my horse is dropping weight because the veld has gone down. Yes, I agree. A lot of horses lose weight in the winter, maar dit is belangrik vir julle om te weet dat julle moet ekstra minerale en goeders bygee. Ek hou baie van melassa bygee in die winter. I love feeding melassa meal to my horses in the winter. I know there's people that don't agree with me, but it has a lot of minerals and sugars and stuff in it that the horses don't get out of the veld at this moment because the grass is dead and dry. So ekstra byvoeding gee in die winter is baie belangrik vir jou perde om seker te maak dat die liggame kry alles. Especially what we see a lot in the winter happens is magnesium. Horses have a magnesium deficiency. So for that you can use AminoMag, which is absolutely amazing. One of our best sellers. Our clients love it. It makes such a difference in your horse's well-being, in your horse's temperament and personality, because it balances those nutrients that make your horse spooky or edgy or irritated or jy weet as jy perd het wat net nie homself is nie, jy kan sien hy styf, hy voel nie lekker nie, hy skrikkerig, jy weet as die wind waai dan wil hy skrik en goeie. So kyk asseblief na ons AminoMag, maar dit is baie belangrik vir julle om te weet, ons perde het ekstra nodig in die winter. So look at what you are feeding your horses in the winter, because they do need extra feed in the winter. Thanks guys and be blessed.